Okay guys, I'm up here at Pine Mountain, Georgia, fixing to go in my favorite little antique spot. I found several knives in here. We're fixing to go and see if we can find any today. Thank you, buddy.
I no longer have access to.
I got one in my pocket right now. That's coming home with me. Give me a couple of Georgia ones. Yes, a Gerber. Look at that. $1, $30. Is that a big old Victorian? No, China made. I don't know what that one is. Check that one out. Can't put that one's still brand new in the packet. That case, $25. Check that one out. I know I'm getting that one because, like I said, I got one just like that in my pocket. This one don't have the clip. Mine still got the clip. I want to check that one out. I like these packs. I do want to see this knife, ma'am, if you don't mind. That's a Kingston. How much they want? $7? I'll take that one. If you just want to hold that one.
I will.
Yes, ma'am. How much for the Zippos here, ma'am? That one that says Iraq on there.
That one?
And that one. Yes, ma'am.
This one, 25. This Vietnam. What is this?
No, ma'am. The Iraq one. Because I don't think that's a Zippo. No, ma'am.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, this is pretty old here.
Cool. I have no need for a Zippo, and I was looking at them too, like, man, those are just neat.
Yeah, I collect them actually.
I assume knives. I heard you asking questions and noticed several ones. So I was like, that man knows knives.
Yeah, I collect knives too, man.
Yeah.
This is 25. I'm gonna think on those, but I definitely want to see some of these knives.
Okay.
I definitely want to see this one here.
I'm going to open it up for you and you can just
Okay.
go through them.
Okay. I appreciate that.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. That one's coming home with me. All right, I'll take that one too. This might be a Zippo. That is a Zippo knife. It's nice. They want 25 for it. I'll think on this one. Be nice. I think this is a Gerber. It is a Gerber with a broken tip. How about that? Let's see. Is it USA? It is it. I'll take this one.
Okay.
This for England. Wow. See that one. I ain't never seen one of these. Rogers, Sheffield, England. Isn't that cool? Wow. I don't have one of those. I'll take that one too. All right, I think that's it in this case, ma'am.
All right.
Y'all have any more knives that you
They're
know of?
in different booths. I can show
Okay,
you.
I'll look around.
Okay.
I like to look and hunt for them.
Good.
We thank you, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
$110 for that buck. This booth is really, really high. Rare 5 p.m. This one right here. It's a buck 112. I guess 5 p.m. they're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2 dot. Well, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Appreciate all your help.
Oh, you're so welcome.
That's a book right there. I think they want $20 for it. See, that's too high for that book. It's missing that shield. Too high. Not even gonna look at it. No, I ain't interested in that one either. A little high without the sheath. It's a nice knife though. Very nice knife. Can I see that Zippo right there? I missed that one a while ago, man. Brand new.
No eagles?
Eagles albums.
Oh, it wasn't in the end? Somebody collected some and bought a lot of them. Did you look in that first case too? So neither one of them.
You can put that with my pile, man.
Yep.
Check out that Camilla's. Called a timber scribe. I've never seen one of those before. There's one more knife I want to see over here. I'm sorry.
That's all right. That's what I'm here for.
Yes, ma'am.
Which side is it on?
Is it that brown one right there?
Mm-hmm. This one?
Uh-huh.
That's a weird looking
Actually,
one.
a timber scribe. What is it? A timber scribe. It's a very strong spring. Right there. It's used to mark trees and dig out a disease from a tree without using the chemicals. Plus, you can scratch the bark off and get the pest out.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. This is in great shape too. Very cool. But look at the wood handle on that. That's beautiful. Nice. Well, thank you, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Hey. Just let me know when you're through so I can knock.
Okay, I sure will. Check that out. Big J's knife. Big J. Western Bowie. $385. Let's see this pretty thing too. $675. Puma Bowie. This thing, check that sheath out. Ain't it beautiful? Look at the bone handle. I never held a Puma before in my life. Ain't that beautiful? Here's a K-bar with Damascus steel, it says, and it's $235. That's beautiful, isn't it? Wow. That's a beautiful blade. Remember, I cleaned a knife up just like that. They want $40 for it here. My wife just found this thing here, and I knew right away by the handles it's a queen. It is a queen. Can't tell if it's bone or Darwin. I think it's bone. Look at the tip. Easy fix. It's a queen number 20. How about that? For $20. I guess call that a toothpick. Coming home with me. Okay, guys, this place never disappoints. Spent $109, but hey, $3 on a book though, so I really spent $106. My wife only spent $3. I spent $106 on knives and a Zippo. But this place never disappoints, y'all. Pine Mountain, Georgia. Love it. We'll go over the knives when I get back to the campsite. Anyway, guys, we didn't find no more knives up here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. If I go over the knives, it'll just be too long of a video, so be on the lookout for all those knives and the Zippo in another video coming out real soon, probably tomorrow morning. So I just want to appreciate y'all for tuning in, and we're waiting here at the Oyster House. It opens at 5 o'clock. It's our favorite, probably our favorite seafood place at the beach and in Pine Mountain, Georgia. You can't go to the beach and find better seafood, I'm telling you. the Orchard House in Pine Mountain, Georgia. But anyway, I just want to tell you, thank y'all for tuning in today. I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, it'll be like a good knife. Stay sharp.